News coming in from Visakhapatnam district of Andhra Pradesh, where tribal women have chased and beat up a TDP MLA, Sivera Somu. Now, tribals were opposing a local China clay mining project, and when the MLA reached there to try and speak to the tribals, he was beaten up. Visuals from Visakhapatnam. Deepthi, take us through what happened here.
Niranjan, yesterday there was supposed to be a public hearing on this China clay mining company to granting a lease for the mining of this China clay company. But the officials already feeling that there might be some problem, they had postponed this public hearing, but the tribals went ahead with the public hearing of this regarding this China clay company. And that is when TDP MLA and other president of that village, Araku Valley TDP MLA and the president of that village arrived there to take the opinion from the tribal people as to what they are feeling about the China clay company. And during the course of discussion there, they felt that the MLA and the president, both of them were supporting the officials of the China clay company, and they were very much in favor of the company, which had irritated the crowd there. And the mob started attacking the MLA and the president. Like you can see in the visuals how he has been, for almost a kilometer, he has been he had to escape for his life from there with the tribal women following him with the mud and the dung being thrown on him. This is what has happened at this Araku Valley village, of where the tribal women were fighting for their own rights. There have been many cases where the tribals were fighting for their land rights. We have seen the similar cases in the Nagarjuna Construction Company and also in the East Coast Energy Company. This was yet another case where the tribal women were fighting, tribal people were fighting for their land rights. Back to you.
What is the condition of the AP MLA? We believe that along with some of his followers, he was beaten up severely and his vehicle was also burned. What's his condition now?
Exactly, Niranjan. Yesterday when the MLA arrived there, his vehicle was burned, his shirt was also torn, and he was literally had to, he was being thrown dung and mud was thrown on him. And even the supporters had to run along, and no one could have come to save his life there. And as of now, what we're hearing from there is that the situation continues, and there is a lot of tension in the area now. But as of now, the situation is being tried to brought under control, and there is calm and peace being negotiated there with the tribals, and they're looking for an alternative option as to how to go about this whole thing. But the AP Pollution Board, the public hearing, which was already postponed by the tribals, have went ahead with it. That is the present situation there.